Baking is my passion. It brings joy to share delicious treats with loved ones. When I had to adopt a gluten-free diet, I was determined to keep baking. It took time and practice to perfect my gluten-free baking skills. Now I am excited to help you on your gluten-free baking journey. Gluten-free baking opens up a world of flavors and textures. It allows you to cater to dietary needs while still enjoying delicious treats. With the right ingredients and techniques, you can create incredible gluten-free cookies. Let's get started. The foundation of any good gluten-free cookie is the flour. There are many gluten-free flour options available. Each one has its unique properties. Some popular choices include almond flour, coconut flour, and gluten-free all-purpose blends. Almond flour adds a slightly nutty flavor and a moist texture. Coconut flour is highly absorbent and requires more liquid in recipes. Gluten-free all-purpose blends aim to mimic the properties of wheat flour. When choosing a flour, consider the recipe and your desired outcome. Adapting traditional recipes for gluten-free baking requires a few key adjustments. First, substitute the gluten-containing flour with a gluten-free blend or a combination of flours. You may need to adjust the amount of liquid in the recipe. Gluten-free flours often absorb liquids differently than wheat flour. Additionally, adding a binder like xanthan gum or guar gum can help improve the texture. These gums mimic the elasticity that gluten provides. Section 4. Mixing and baking. Gluten-free cookie dough. Mixing gluten-free cookie dough is similar to traditional dough, but with a few variations. Start by combining the dry ingredients, including your chosen gluten-free flour blend, sugar, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients, such as eggs, butter, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Section 5. Troubleshooting tips for perfect gluten-free cookies. Even experienced bakers encounter challenges with gluten-free baking. One common issue is dry or crumbly cookies. This can occur if the dough is too dry. To remedy this, add a tablespoon of milk or other liquid to the dough at a time until the desired consistency is reached. If your cookies are spreading too thin, the dough may be too warm or the ratio of butter to flour is off. Chill the dough for 15 to 20 minutes before baking. You can also try adding a tablespoon of gluten-free flour to the dough.